are going to love the 2020 Audi A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology, Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, leather seats, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.